Hello friends, this is a nature moment with Mr. Pete. Welcome back. I'm the lead interpretive educator at the Friends of the Domes. My name is Mr. Pete and I hope you're ready to have some fun. We're going to learn a little bit about plants. In the springtime, this is the time that the plants begin to grow. And when a seed starts to grow, we call that germination. But all living things need 4 things: sun, soil, water, and air. Repeat after me. Sun, soil, water, and air. Sun, soil, water, and air. So I'm going to sing it once, and then you're going to sing it with me. Ready? Here we go. Sun, soil, water, and air. Sun, soil, water, and air. Everything you eat, and everything you wear. Everything you wear. Everything comes from sun, soil, water, and air. Sun, soil, water, and air. All right, here we go. Alexa, play Sun, Soil, Water, and Air by the Banana Slug String Band. Here we go. Sun, soil, water, and air.
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 Everything you eat,
and
everything you wear.
Everything you wear.
Everything comes from, get your hands in the air, friends.
Comes from.
Everything comes from
Everything comes from.
sun, soil, water, and air. Sun, soil, water, and air. Yeah!
Soil,
All right, good job. Well, on today's episode, we're going to make a seed necklace. We're going to get a seed started. That's called germination. And man, we're ready to rock this nation. Oh yeah! You'll be able to watch it all week long because you're going to keep it on you. And then, as it starts to germinate, you'll see that little seed turn into a tiny plant. And then when you're ready, you can replant it into a pot and put that on your windowsill. And you can put it right next to your eggshell planter if you made one of those. Let's get started making our seed necklace. What you're going to do is you're going to take a small bag. We have these small craft bags. If you don't have one of these, you can use another bag too. The smaller the bag, the better. However, if you don't have a small bag and the smallest thing you have is like a sandwich bag or even a snack bag, and those are usually like that big, maybe a little wider, you could use that as well. This one right here, you'll notice that it has to be a Ziploc bag and you have this space up top. What you're going to do with that space up top is you can do one of 2 things. If you happen to have a hole puncher, you want to go ahead and take this and bring your hole puncher in so it almost touches the line where you seal it, and go ahead and punch it, and you got to give it a good punch so it goes right through, and then wiggle that out. You can kind of pull those off, careful not to tear the bag. So once you punch the hole, then you can go ahead and put your string through. If you don't have a hole puncher, this is the alternative. You'll take your small bag and you can take a paper clip, and careful not to poke yourself, but bend this out and go ahead and poke a hole above this line. And you can give it a little wiggle there so it gives you a little bit more room to go in. And you'll need to keep the paper clip because you're going to need that to push the string through.
Sun, soil, water, and air. Sun, soil, water.
What you do is go ahead and open up the bag. You'll take your cotton ball and dip it in the water like this, and then wring it out. You want it to be damp. Mine got really wet. So you can kind of put it in like halfway, squeeze it, the water will get on the rest of it, and now once you have most of the water out, you have a damp cotton ball. Then you're going to take your bean and you're going to basically put your bean in the middle of the cotton ball. Once the bean's in the middle of a wet cotton ball, you can envelope it like this, you know, kind of like making a taco. And then you'll take this and you'll put that inside your bag. Make sure the bean stays in there, and that'll slide down to the bottom. Then you take your string and go ahead and push your string through that hole. Once your string is through the hole, even up so the two ends come together on the top, and your necklace is down in the middle like this. Take your string, and before cutting your string, you can go ahead and measure it and make sure that your string goes to the back of your neck, and it basically is not way up here and it's not way down here by your belly. You want it kind of right in the middle on your chest. Once you have the measurement, you want about 2 inches or so of the ends, and go ahead and tie a knot. Take one end, wrap it around like this, take the other end and wrap it around like that, and you should end up with a square knot, or you might get a granny knot. As long as the knot holds, square knot is preferred. There you go. And then that is your seed necklace. All you have to do now is put it around your neck. And once you have your seed necklace around your neck, you can now tuck this inside. And the amazing thing is, we have water, it has air, it doesn't have soil, but that'll come later, because once it starts to grow, you can put it into a container that has soil in it, like a small pot, or you can put it in your eggshell planter. Eventually, as it gets bigger, you're going to have to move it to the garden or somewhere else. So it has air, it has water. Later, you'll put it in soil. And it doesn't have sun right now, but all it needs is warmth, because the sun gives light, but it also gives heat. So the warmth from your body will actually keep it nice and warm. The one thing I want you to remember, friends, is make sure when you go to bed at night, you take this off, okay? Because we don't want to get that tangled up around your neck. So you can put it on again in the morning, but you're going to want to wear this every day for about 2 weeks and watch what happens. You will be amazed. Soon, your little seed will turn into a little plant, and that is really exciting. Plants take a little longer to do things, but they can be just as interesting and fascinating as animals. So check it out with your seed necklace. I hope you enjoyed making your seed necklace. I sure did. Next time on A Nature Moment with Mr. Pete, we got some great plans for you. You're going to need a paper bag, a paper towel roll, some rice, maybe some beans, of course some aluminum foil, and maybe some scissors and some tape. The next time on A Nature Moment with Mr. Pete. We'll see you soon. Bye.